It rained. Last night it rained for 3-4 hours straight, and yeah, it's all good. At some point around 6:30, the rain stopped, and yeah, I was able to dry the fly sheet. Now I just need to break down the inner tent, and I'm almost packed and ready to hit the road. I'm really upset because I realized that yesterday was the riding was great. Yesterday I slept around that point, and then I went around and around and around, and then I went up to the mountain that is behind here, and I got to here. Incredible riding, very good. The upsetting problem is that I made lots of videos, lots of hyperlapses. But the night before, I made a time lapse about setting up camp, and I forgot to change the setting from time lapse to hyperlapse on my GoPro. So every time I was turning on the camera to do the hyperlapses, I turn it on and press the button twice, and it goes to hyperlapse or time lapse. But the settings was on time lapse, so it's shit because time lapse take a picture of every half a second and then piece it together into a video. Every second of video is 25 frames. So if I publish it, it's gonna be very choppy. It's yeah, it's terrible because you have these memories that they are gone. I cannot use them anymore, and it's not just for the videos, it's the memories. Sometimes I do go back and watch my videos, and and I publish the videos also because once the video is published, it's gonna be there forever. In 10 years, 20 years, when I will be a cripple and I will probably not be able to wipe my ass, I can still go back and watch my videos of when I was in Rwanda, when I was in Sudan, when I was in somewhere in Normandy. And now I don't have that anymore, so it's a bit upsetting. And also I put some effort into turn on the camera, turn it off, and charging the batteries and editing the videos. It takes a long time to edit a video. It's about 10-12 hours work. So because you have to edit the video, render it, upload it, and then I have to make the titles, subtitles in 3 languages. Yeah, it's a big job. So yeah, and if I don't have the material, it's even more upsetting. But let's see. I wanna watch them later. And so yeah, the plan for today is to continue through Brittany. So I will go around, and on that Gulf there is a little city. I will stop a few hours. I think I need to rest a little bit and dig out my laptop because I have no pictures to publish on social media, and yeah, it's something that is useful to publish. Otherwise, I already publishing. Now we are at the beginning of June, and I'm publishing photographs of March. So yeah, then I stop publishing for a week or two. Then I will finish publishing winter photos when it's summer. So it has to be done. This is what's behind the beach, the hill overviewing the beach where I camped. Maybe I should have camped under the roof of the church last night. But it was so beautiful to see the sunset on the sea. It was very beautiful. Alright, I'm leaving Douarnenez. I spent most of the day on my laptop. I arrived there, was almost 12 o'clock, and now was 12 something, and now is about 5 o'clock. And yeah, I had to work on editing some photos and a little bit the video. Beautiful. Bonjour. Very nice. Peaceful water. We are at the cemetery. Very clean and fresh. It's like a bondage warning sign. I don't know. French are weird. There's some very steep bits there, and yeah, I don't want to fuck up my back, so I'll go back and hit the original route, the bikepacking route of Nathan. Yeah, pity, but it's quite challenging, and yeah, sometimes it's better to take the path of least resistance. Backtracking a little bit. These trails can be hard. Either I'm getting old, I'm not used to climbing anymore, or these up and downs all day, by the end of the day you start to feel it. Although I think I suffer more in the morning than in the afternoon. So the route goes up there. That's a long climb, and yeah, and continues left. But I would like to check out the point with the lighthouse. It's getting late. It's 8 p.m., 10 past 8. I decided to take the detour and go to the lighthouse. Why not? Fuck it. I might even sleep there. Might be a bit touristy though. Maybe other people thought about camping there. Let's see. Now I have a steep climb, a few hundred meters. Must be a bunker of the Second World War. I don't know. That's a bummer. Parking. Motorbikes and bicycle free. So it means I might not be able to cycle to the lighthouse. Cyclists, pied à terre. To be honest, I would have expected to be a bit more remote, less of a touristy trap. But I mean, I'm here. Terrain militaire, défense des photographer. You can't even take pictures. It's a military thing. So that's the mission of these guys. It's a traffic light. Duras. Well done, boys. 1838. Good on ya. Forbidden to photograph, and I'm there with my GoPro taking footage. Yes, you're supposed to leave the bike there and just walk. But I make my own rules. And look, there are other two people with the bikes making their own rules. Le Monde. A Le Monde bike. Greg LeMond, winner of, I'd say, at least one Tour de France. Could be two. Took a few pictures, but it's not sunset, so they're probably not that good. They're quite easy. A bit disappointed because, military area, cannot camp. Okay, I'm still inside this parking. I saw this trail maybe leads to a place where there is some space for a tent. And the people in the lighthouse, the military, don't have a view on this place. So I don't think anyone can see me here. Let's see if there's a little space for the tent somewhere. Maybe not. Looks like not. Okay, I'm gonna leave the bike here and walk a little bit down there and up there, and let's see, because I could put the tent in the middle of the trail, but it might rub some people the wrong way. Nothing, even here, nothing. Let's check this place there, and then I'll go back, and there is someone there coming, so fuck it. Fucking tourist places. Here there is space for a tent, but the fucking military people can see me. For fuck's sake. I'm really considering to put the tent there. That's it, I took the executive decision of camping in the middle of the trail. There's a beautiful camp spot there, but it can be seen from the military tower, and yeah, I don't want to have problems with the military. Here nobody's gonna see me, and yeah, it's 9:30. Let's check. It's 9:35. People should go to bed and not walk the trails. And I will wake up in the morning early. Hopefully nobody's coming to bother me. And yeah, that's it. Campsite. I'd say it's a good campsite, and now I'm gonna make some good pasta to some people with 2 dogs. Yeah, just go home, people. They're probably camped with one of the campers.